Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are here to teach the kids before going to school, and today is our lesson number 4. In our lesson number 4 we will study alphabets and their sounds. Okay, let's start. Moyuddin, what is this?
A for apple.
Okay, where is small a?
This.
Where is big A?
This.
Where is apple?
A for apple.
Okay, go to next page. Okay, what is this?
B for bat.
Okay, where is small b?
This.
What is the sound of b?
B.
Good. Come to next page. What is this?
C cap.
Good. Where is small c?
This.
Where is capital C?
This.
Where is cap?
This.
What is the sound of C?
K.
Good. Okay, come to next. What is this?
D the duck.
Okay, where is small d?
This.
What is the sound of D?
The.
Okay, where is duck?
This.
Where is capital D?
This.
Okay, go to next page. What is this?
F.
First of all, E. What is this?
E for elephant.
Okay, where is capital E?
This.
Capital.
This.
Where is small e?
This.
Okay, where is elephant?
This.
What is the sound of E? Yes. Okay, go to next page. What is this?
Fish. F for fish.
Okay, where is small f?
This.
Where is capital F? Where is fish?
This.
Okay. What is the sound of F?
For.
Good. So here our class is at the end. We will come soon for the next alphabets. Okay, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.
Goodbye.
ऐसी बेशुमार वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक शेयर कमेंट ज़रूर करें।